Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 1st, and we are going to take a look at the VIX, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq Composite to see how they might be impacting the market tomorrow. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions, but I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So VIX is coming down. It's coming down. So we are down 50 point, 51 point, 1.97%, closed at 25.36. So this is nice to see. So we have a hard stop right here. See at 27.73. We cannot break that. So we are happy that we cannot do this. And we have a nice big red candle today. So if we continue down a little bit for a couple of days, then we are going to have a little bit of a move on the stock market, especially in Tesla. So Tesla, which is into a descending channel, we might be able to reach the top of the resistance. So you need to look at my other video to understand what I just said. And if you already listened to my other Tesla video, then you just understood. So let's hope that we are going to have a couple of days of this thing going down. This is a perfectly valid move because we are still in a bullish channel. And when we are in the channel, we go zigzag. So we did a zig here and we hope to get a zag. It's perfectly legitimate to expect this or to hope this. Then once we are close to the support, then we need to be careful everywhere because maybe we are going to bounce on it and then stocks might be going down. So let's keep that in mind. Looking at Dow Jones. So yeah, Dow Jones reacted pretty well also. See how we are sitting on 31,446. The body of the candle, the colored part of the candle, sitting right on 31,446. It cannot get more perfect than this. And look at the wick here. The wick is extending itself. Guess where? 31,222. I cannot make this up. I cannot make this up. This is like a perfect placement of the candle. It's as if I'm controlling the stock market, except that I'm not. So nice little bounce here. This is nice to see. One candle does not change a trend. We are still in a downtrend. Multiple downtrends actually with Dow Jones. If I do this a little bit better, we have something like this. And look how perfectly the top of this one equals to the bottom of this one. And they also match the same slope that we have here. The same slope here is exactly the same slope that we have here. People that don't believe in technical analysis, I don't know what they are smoking, but this is pretty impressive. We are still in a downtrend. I'm going to give you that. This is still a downtrend here. We have a steeper downtrend and we have a bigger, a little bit slower downtrend, but we are in a downtrend. So yes, we have sometimes that things are going up, but we should not be counting our laurels too fast. Let's see tomorrow if we are able to hold 31,446. If we are able to hold it, we could be going sideways or we could be going up a little bit. And then the big question is going to be what is going to happen when we reach the other side. So right now we are on this side, we cannot do much about this. The big question is what is going to happen on that other side. So it's going to take maybe a week or two to see what is going on there. S&P 500, same thing. Look at how perfectly the bottom of the wick is just in line with our previously drawn lines. You can look at my videos in the past, I'm not making this up. The same thing with S&P 500. We are pausing a little bit and we have a positive candle. So this is nice. Let me look at Nasdaq Composite. I don't think I'm going to look at Nasdaq 100 because basically it's the same thing as Nasdaq Composite. So pretty much the same thing here. Everything is in sync. We have a nice candle right here. So it's possible that things are going to change for the near term. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.